Alright, welcome to another vlog. We're gearing up for a little mini adventure. We're gonna go see some fall foliage and then go grab some lunch. Mommy's sleeping today, so it's daddy and the three babies.
I'm not a baby.
We're about to hit the road.
Yeah.
Alright, slight change of plans. It was raining too hard when we got there.
But now it's sprinkling.
And so we're hoping that if we go ahead and go to lunch, that when we get done with lunch, we go back and it won't be raining as hard. Because I really want to fly the drone and get drone shots and see the really pretty fall colors.
Like a fish.
Where are we eating?
Zaxby.
Zaxby. Also, it's about to rain, so we need to go inside. But this is the first time that Zaxby has been open since the beginning of the pandemic. The dining room's open. I mean, the
that restaurant.
Restaurant's been open, but the dining room hasn't been open. So that's cool. Ready to go inside?
I was gonna say, if Zaxby's wasn't open, if we couldn't sit in the dining room, then we were not gonna go. But I crossed my fingers and it.
All right, let's go eat.
Yeah.
Judah's still eating. All right, well, we finished eating and we just made it back to the park. And this place is gorgeous. I was thinking it's probably peak foliage, but I don't think it is. It still looks a little green. I may have missed it by one week. It's still super autumny and really pretty. Really pretty. Let's go fly the drone, huh?
Yeah.
So pretty. So it's still sprinkling just a little bit. We realized we forgot the stroller. And we forgot the baby carrier, the backpack baby carrier. So
Is that one got this like stroller thingy where you put stuff in?
we're gonna attempt if it slacks off because it's raining a little too hard.
A little.
We're gonna attempt to put him in the ballpark cart that I have for when we go play ball games. And put his car seat in there and cover it up with blankets. Make it real comfy. He ought to enjoy that, and as long as we stay on the easy trails, it shouldn't be a problem.
Look at this rock I found.
How pretty, all the leaves falling. Goodness gracious, it's pretty. All right, so here's our setup. We've got the cart and the baby in the cart. Blankets, jackets.
Toys.
He should be staying dry. It's actually better than having the backpack or the stroller. The stroller would not make it out here. It's not an all-terrain stroller.
Look at this nut.
That is a puddle. Don't walk in. We're going to try to stay as dry as we can, okay?
Okay.
The baby's four-wheeling. The baby's mud riding.
You having fun? Are you having fun?
This is Natural Bridge Park, and it's just a little private park. We've been here several times. We've got several other videos here. This is the first time the baby's been here, and this is the first time I've ever been when it just got done raining, so it's really wet. So it's interesting navigating through there, through here. Try not to get wet. God bless you. And it's just beautiful. It's really beautiful.
We've got another obstacle course.
Obstacle course?
Obstacle course. More mud. Don't walk in the mud. Take a step. We made it! Yay! Now we got more obstacles to go. I know.
Okay, status update. It's very bumpy, and
I touch poison ivy.
feels like he's like riding in an off-road truck. We're having to pick him up, move him over roots and stuff like that. So I think he's enjoying it, but
it's like a bumper car.
it's a very bumpy ride. So I'm trying to take it really slow. Sailor just came up to me and she said, "Hey, look at this really cool leaf." She held it up and it looked like poison ivy. So remember what I told you? Leaves of 3, let it be. You weren't paying attention. It was the three telltale leaves. So
I didn't remember.
you got to remember. So she went and washed her hands real good. We're walking. All right, this next section is super bumpy. So we parked the makeshift stroller and we're walking. Right now, Sayla is the baby Sherpa. Let's go that way. It's less bumpy. All right, that's the end of the trail. We're turning around now, and I'm gonna switch lenses and try to get some pictures. You see a fish? You see a minnow? As I was coming up here, I was making a note of things I wanted to take a picture of.
Yeah.
Sweet boy.
Daddy, it's raining. Where? The bug is in my book. Go.
leaves are falling.
Hey, Daddy.
That's why they call it fall.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
What, buddy?
Can you look at your Christmas tree today? I don't know.
My favorite time ever to look at fall things, fall foliage and stuff like that is either during a rain or after a rain, because the rain and the moisture saturates all of the colors and makes all the colors pop, make them bright
If you
and full.
Like if you have a camera and you have like special effects, and if it's super dark, then you can make it super bright, and then you can take really cool pictures. Like there's some Christmas trees, textures have water on them, and they have. Daddy said Christmas tomorrow. Super old. I guess that doesn't work anymore.
That is an old one.
Hey, Dad. Look at all this. Look at all this. Well, that was an adventure.
Got leftover cookie from lunch. Well, we're back at the truck. It was a super fun, little short, wet hike. And so pretty. And I just hope that doing these little things and telling them how pretty it is and things like that help them to grow up with an appreciation for beauty, because it really is beautiful.
Come on,